ramp modeling, ang hawak kong, ang style ng establish mo is holding your waist. So, this is what you gotta do.
That's the ramp modeling.
Yan, ganyan ang pose. And then, when you say sa pageant, yung nanggagaling sa likod normally eh. And sometimes, nasa hips ang hawak nila. It's not actually like that. Something like that. Pero normally, nandito talaga sa hips. And then, they have old smile.
Yes,
ganyan.
yes.
Which,
Feeling
totally
beauty
different.
queen,
Sa
yes.
ramp modeling talaga kailangan. Ang expression mo, totally blank. Like that.
Okay, cool. Okay, sige. So dahil dyan, bigyan natin sila ng sample, okay? So start with, of course, Cheska. So, Cheska, yan. Sige, sample natin, ha? So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Cheska. Next, Mitch. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mitch. Okay, thank you, Mitch. Okay, Miss Margo, question lang po. Do you have any future projects for Fashion Sense models? Of course, please invite everybody.
Okay, the Fashion Sense will launch its 11th batch, and that's going to be on November 8th at the park at Liberty Center, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. If you want to buy the tickets, because tickets are now available, you can text this number 0918-385-4392. And then, ongoing din yung screening namin for the 11th batch.
11th batch?
Ng Fashion Sense model.
Okay.
So, habang nandun pa kami, so we could train them and we could share our knowledge before we leave.
Yes, okay. Mitch,
yes.
Say something for the audience that who are watching right now, especially the youth, especially yung mga ano, 'di ba, yung mga kabataan na babae. Kasi sa modeling kasi ang alam ko, mostly mga babae talaga yung nahuhook sa mga ano, yung parang fashion sense sa damit, sa, 'di ba? So what do you want to say to them?
Okay, so to all the girls who was wanted to be a ramp model, yung fashion sense kasi we're not just after the looks, we're after the attitude. So if you wanna come and join us, it's free naman eh. It's for free workshop.
It's for free. Wow.
Opo. I just have to go there every Sunday, 9 to 5. Yes, yun. Wala namang babayaran. Okay lang.
Okay. And of course, Cheska.
Ayun nga, if you wanted to be a model, you can actually, again, text the number of Direk. And
Okay,
you
what's
can,
the number again?
Again,
So,
the number, hindi ko kasi siya
Pera mo.
kabisado. I lost my phone eh. Okay, so the number is 0918-385-4392. If you're interested, one point lang, no, we're really after the attitude. Even if you have modeling experience and you come from a really good agency, we really look for models who are humble enough to be even humble, even if they will be famous. Parang ganun. Kasi it's not only a 15-minute worth of fame eh. Parang model in the making ka.
Yes,
So,
parang for the future talaga
yeah.
yung gusto nyo mangyari talaga for the models na mag-ano sa inyo. Sa mga kids.
We have a
How
6-year-old.
How old do you,
Yeah, 4, 6 years old. Ang gagaling nila maglakad.
Talaga?
Yeah.
By the way, alam ko na nagsabi na ako sa inyo na parang say some few words for our audience. No? But, okay, I just want to extend this more. Kapag halimbawa model ka ba, kinakailangan ba, pati yung pananamit mo, stylish din?
That's different with other modeling agencies.
Yes.
Okay. With Direk Eisen, ang laging ini-instill niya sa mind namin being a model is just to be humble. Kasi sa modeling industry, ang tawag nila doon pirata. Kung magpapakain ka doon sa mga taon paligid mo. Pirata tawag nila doon eh. So, kailangan doon pa lang sa workshop, ma-mold mo na yung attitude mo.
Okay.
And with Fashion Sense, andun yung spirit of family and fun. Tapos,
Diet, do you have
natututo kami.
diet? Parang do you do diet?
Yes.
Kasi you're so... No.
Actually, ano,
With
yung
that-
iba.
With a lot, with that kind of body, parang sa akin.
Yung iba.
Really?
Yung iba.
Like,
Pero
parang
sa amin
don't-
kasi,
don't look-
it's not really, we're not strictly following yung talagang model requirement. Kapag nakita ni Direk talaga, you have the character. And you really want to prove something. He'll give you a
That's it.
chance.
Okay, so that's the catch. Okay, anyways, thank you very much for coming here dito sa Voti TV for Moment Ko To for, from the Fashion Sense model. Miss Margo, Miss Mitch, and Miss Cheska, thank you so much
come
for...
and watch our show.
Yes, definitely. So, ayan po, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood dito sa amin sa Voti TV, Boss ng Kabataan, Tinig ng Kabataan. I am your guest host, Byron, and Voice of the Week is coming up next. Hello guys, good afternoon, and this is Voice of the Week. Welcome back dito sa Voti TV, ang boses ng kabataan, tinig ng kabataan, and I am your guest host, Byron. At syempre, speaking of Voice of the Week, gusto ko ipakilala na nanggaling po ako sa Society of Young Voice Artists of the Philippines under Creative Voices Productions. And speaking of voice, syempre we feature here in Voice of the Week ang mga talented voice artists here in the Philippines. At syempre ngayon makakasama natin ang isa sa pinakamagagaling na voice artist dito sa Pilipinas. At syempre ang aking co-host, walang iba kundi si Mr. Pocholo, the voice master, Gonzales.
Ayan, maraming salamat Byron. At ngayon, makikita natin ang isa sa pinakamagaling na voice talent ng bansang ito.
Yes, at syempre ang ating guest for this day, this episode, ay walang iba kundi si Miss Teng Masilungan.
Yeah.
Hello po,
Hello,
Ate Teng.
Yan si Ate Teng.
Mhm.
So maraming salamat sa
So,
pagpunta
ate.
dito, Ate. Actually, kaya ako siya tinatawag na Ate dahil halos magkasabayan rin kami niyan sa voice acting industry at siya yung tinuring ko isa sa ate ko sa voice-over industry.
Ako, Ate Teng, may question ako sa inyo. Ano yung nag-inspire sa inyo para pumasok sa voice acting?
Dito, actually, noong una, hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Narinig ko lang dubbing. Ano kaya yung dubbing
Yes,
na
oo,
yan?
dubbing.